Hey guys, good morning.
Morning.
Day 3 in Hong Kong.
Disneyland Day!
Disneyland. Punta kami Disneyland ngayon. So, nag-take out muna kami sa Jollibee.
Go!
McDo pala guys. So, ang ginawa namin, nag-take out lang kami ng hamburgers. Kasi, mahal pagkain sa Disneyland guys. Kailangan na namin mag-take out. So, gagawin namin, punta kami ng Jordan Station. MTR again guys. So guys, papakita ko lang yung aming partner. Itong building na to. Ayan. So dito lang yung MTR's station. Ayan, Jordan Station. So dyan lang kami bababa papuntang Suwan Lane. So yun yung aming doon kami sasakay ng MTR papuntang Liking.
Liking Mall.
Tapos bababa kami ng Sunnyville.
Bay.
Sunny Bay. So doon kami sasakay ng papuntang Disneyland na MTR din. Hey guys, dito na kami sa Sunnydale. Lipat ng MTR sa puntang Disneyland. Mickey Mouse trend do. Ay tayo. Hey. Kakaba lang namin. Pero hindi nga agad bumaba guys. So, papicture muna kami sa loob. Ito na kami ng Disneyland. Dami tao ngayon, grabe. Ano, picture ka dyan.
Yung bag.
One, two.
For adult?
For adult.
Adult.
Hey guys, Disneyland. Grabe. Balak namin punta muna sa Frozen. Tara, let's go guys. Takbuhan na to. Mamadali na sila. Grabe, lamig dito guys. Pag pumunta kayo dito, dala kayo ng magandang jacket kasi around 9:30 pa lang. Grabe na yung lamig. Pero maaga yung pasok ngayon. Thank you. You have discount coupon guys. Oh, ang lupit oh. Hey, sorry. Oh, grabe. Kailangan natin ng entrance na hour. Pwede pala entrance na hour. So, diretso na kami dun guys. Ay, hindi mo saan ipa-picture sila oh. Grabe lamig guys. Putik. Lalo pag umangin. Abdong yung lamig eh. Wow. Grabe. Nabis pa naman yung jacket ko. Tagos sa tagos. Pero carry naman.
Yan, dyan talaga mamaya.
Saan? Fireworks ko lang. Dito yung fireworks sa isang ngayon. Ayan, nakikita nyo na. Itong ali na to. Mamaya maaga tayo dyan. Yung mga tindahan nila. Hindi na kami tumatakbo. Hindi na kami nakatakbo. Bahala sila. Bahala sila dyan.
Kaya naman nakapasok eh. So, expected namin 10:30.
Yeah. Siguro may marami pang mamaya. May mga late pang darating.
Lalo na yung mga local.
Kaya pag pupunta kayo dito guys,
Ate sila.
weekdays mas maganda. So weekend, daming tao.
Diretso lang ba yung
Da-
ano?
So this one, dahil ito. Wala pa. Bawal pa.
You have early entry pass? Wait until 10:05.
Okay, so no early pass.
10:05.
Guys, so 10:05 pa. 10:05 pa lang. Share muna tayo, love. So, ang aga kasi pinapasok mga 9:30.
Oo, dito pala yun. Yung
So, 10 pa pala yung mga rides. Guys, ito na kami. Open ang park. Grabe, daming tao po. Ilang rides kaya masakay natin to? Ay, grabe. May nagtatakbuhan kanina. Pero not for kung tayo. Not for tatakbo, guys. Pipila tayo ng maayos. So, nag-change of plan kami, guys. Una namin ay Grizzly Mountain. So, sunod namin Frozen. Tingnan marami tao doon eh. So, bahala sila. Adventureland. So, lakad-lakad lang. Pero pipila na mahaba. Mga 5 hours. Pila. O, tek na yan. Adventureland to. Yan. Adventureland! This one.
Kaliwa tayo dito.
Mas kaliwa tayo dito. So maganda dito tayo yung advantage. Kailangan alam nyo yung mga mapapunta sa pupuntahan nyo. Para hindi kayo maligaw. I don't know. This one. Tama to? Okay. Or may daan din doon. May daan din doon, guys. Gagi, wala din doon. Ako ba ito, guys? Ako ba ito? Wala akong dumadaan. I don't know. We're just. Ayun, mayroon din daan. We're only relying sa ating map, guys. Ganda, oh. Parang ka nasa ibang mundo eh, no?
Ay, nagkwento ko sa Chris na mountain.
Dami, tara. Yun, takbuhan na yan. Tatakbuhan na sila. Guys.
Namun, parang 3 araw na din tayong palakad-lakad na ho, no?
Okay lang yan.
Tagamit ko pa ako.
10:30 pa daw, pero pwede na pumila. Sunan tayo. Sunan tayo. Sunan ka. Okay, 10:30 daw. Nice.
10:30 sabi ko.
Open 10:30.
10:30.
Tagal pa.
Oras na.
Lamig.
Grizzly Mountain muna na
Sa katawan ko.
Lamig. Grabe, lamig. Takbuhan na to. Ano? Daming tao, guys.
360 yan?
Hindi. Daming tao.
360 yan?
Hindi, hindi. Takbuhan to. Ano ba ako natin? Ito lang.
Oh my God, ngayon na nagsisingkin lahat.
Solid. Ah. Woo!
Yung dulo, kala ko yun na yun.
What the heck? Grabe. Hey guys, dito kami sa World of Frozen. Next na natin to, yung Frozen Ever After. Ayun.
Everyone is no summer day. Got to buy blocks that makes you welcome. That's a game. For the first time in forever. I'm so glad you're back. For the first time in forever.
Ayun na nga. Ito na yan, pababa. Ganda. Hey guys, gusto kami sa Frozen. Okay lang yung rides, maganda. Di sila also, kasi all. Sila oh. Oo. High five.
Diba siya yung tinatutukan ko naman? Sabi ko, hi! Sige.
Next namin ay sa River Cruise.
Hi!
Ano siya?
Ito na.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Bagong karakter ng Frozen. Pirated si Frozen. Saan nga natin? Saan natin sa GC?
Pirated.
Pirated.
Ah, sino nga yan si?
Ano itong partner niya? Saan mo nga partner? Saan mo nga partner niya?
Nakadalawang rides na kami, friends. Pero yung malilipit na rides yung pinuna namin. So, dana kami sa Frozen at dana kami sa Grizzle. Ano yan? Tawag doon? Grizzle?
Siya pala si Olaf.
Sino? Ay,
Ano? Ang artista.
Grizzly Mountain. Yan. Si Kristoff yan. Daming tao, grabe. Buti uminit kanina. Ang lamig. Grabe, ang lamig kanina. Buti medyo uminit. Medyo carry naman. Okay guys, dito na kami sa...
World famous Jungle River Cruise. My name's Jeffrey, and I'll be your skipper today. Hello everyone. Before the journey starts, I need you guys to be seated. Please keep everything inside the boat. Most importantly, please take care of your own time. Okay, thank you. And guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's
Great.
go!
And now let's do your left hand side, please, and look at it. It's nothing, just go to plans only. Okay, look back to your right, we've got Tarzan's treehouse, Hollow Tarzan, and his girlfriend Jane. But unfortunately, they're not home today because they're going on a trip. So after they come back, you guys can take the route on the left to visit them. But remember, do not swim over there because there are many crocodiles under the water and they eat you alive, okay? And right now, we're traveling along the longest river in the world, which has more than 4,000 miles. But don't worry, I've got a shot for you, okay? Guys, look who's here. That is the mother elephant and the baby. Let's say hello to them. Hi! Look how cute they are. She's teaching the little one to use his trunk. And this is it's shower time. Look at all of those sprinkles. He has been under the water too long. Ooh! Oh, up ahead there's another one. It's a father. Guys, we're about to get wet. In 3, 2, 1. Just kidding, nothing like that actually. Alright, so now we're entering the core part of the jungle. And look at them spiders. Each of them can jump over 20 feet, alright? They're huge. And here is the ancient temple of Ganesha, the old god of wisdom. And beside him are his protectors, the king cobras, the most poisonous snake in the world. So remember, all you have to stay away from them. We've seen them in a while, okay?
Gagi, laki.
Like crocodiles, and they'll call you an buffet. So keep your hands inside and they'll find you, okay? Look, it's the campsite of a scientist. Oh wait, correction. Gorillas.
Gagi.
Guys, if you're wearing anything yellow, please don't make any noises like a banana, okay? Oh no, wait. Look at the long one. It's got a pistol. We have to go. No, please don't shoot us. We've got the bananas here. Woo. That was close. Woo. We're safe here.
Savior.
Guys, look at this place. Zebras, yeah, giraffes, and elephants.
Kaya ba tayo?
And now we are in the African safari. We're not in Hong Kong anymore. Yeah!
Yay!
Quick question for you, okay? Do you know the difference between male and female zebras?
No.
Oh, do you know? I forgot. Alright, I'll explain. Okay, look at that stripe, please. Male zebras, they're black with white stripes, while females, they're white with black stripes. Okay, keep that in your mind, that's frame for, okay? Don't take it
Walang pinagkaiba.
serious, it's a joke, okay? Keep going, on the left. This is the second most feared
Alam
elephant
namin
in the
yan.
jungle.
Alam namin pag
And on the right, this is the most feared one, his mother-in-law. Oh, keep looking. Hippopotamus, yeah. Each of them weighs over 6,000 pounds. Yeah. Do you know where they come from? They all come from a city. It's called obesity. Yeah, very crowded. Oh, look at them. Guys, they're chased by a rhino and a bunch of hyenas.
Hey! Gagi, matusok na sila.
I can feel a pain here. Guys, have you met them before?
No.
No. They're my colleagues. Yeah, the bottom one is one of our skippers. Should we save them? No, maybe next time, okay? Look at the hyenas here. It's too dangerous, okay? Just say goodbye to them then. Bye!
Bye.
Sorry guys, there's already 4 here. Maybe the next one. Okay? Wait. Look at the skulls here. This is the territory of the headhunters. They'll eat people, especially kids. So remember, stay quiet. Guys, get down! Oh no! I'm gonna shoot him!
Ibabat. Grabe pa rin.
That was so close. Is everybody okay?
Okay.
Yeah. 괜찮아요? 괜찮아. Okay. Still got your heads on, right? Yeah, did anyone get shot by the dogs? No, right? Okay. excellent.
Nag-Koreano po.
And now it's time for us to go home. Okay, thank you guys for tripping over. And now since I'm taking you guys back, that means there is nothing to stop us now. I'll protect every one of you. Don't worry about that. Okay, let's go home. Oh! Wait, guys. Hang on. Oh no, what is happening here? I've never been here before, guys. What are we gonna do? Oh no. Oh. Look, it's blocked. We can't get out. Maybe we're trapped. We're trapped. I repeat, we're trapped. Mayday! Look at that. It's a fire god. Oh. It's so steep now.
Gago, init. Inat niya, gago.
Keep stronger. Somebody keep jumping.
Kape.
The elephant, hello! They got this. Woo! Yeah, I think he wants to say goodbye to us.
Bye.
Okay? Oh no, don't spray them, they're my friends, okay? Alright, yeah, he just spray people he doesn't like, but don't worry about that. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you, guys.
Bye!
Thank you very much. Mind the
Okay.
gap, watch your steps. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Mind the gap, watch your steps.
Okay,
have a
solid.
great day, have a magical day, okay?
Relax.
Thank you.
After mga extreme na rides, guys,
Watch your head.
sunod nyo to para
Thank
medyo kumalma naman kayo.
Mind the gap, watch your steps. Thanks. I appreciate
Bye! Thank you.
May mamamarin.
Ano masabi mo?
Chill ride.
Chill rides. After mga extreme rides. Guys, so kapag dito pala kayo Disneyland, pwede kayo magdala ng bottle nyo. Para refill na lang kayo kasi mahal ng tubig dito. No? Almost 300. So, dala kayo ng ganito. Refill lang tayo para tipid ba? Isang tipid hack yan dito sa Disneyland. Next ride natin ay Peacock.
为安全起见，请您坐好。
Turn daw, turn. Go faster. Uy, turn na turn. Yan. Parang baliw lang. Ito lang, guys. Hey!
Ay, hinaan nyo na po.
Hey, turn nyo nga, turn.
Tapos na.
Yan na. Ayun.
请安全手围绕最精彩威力杯，
Wala na.
跟着吴磊涛联
Ang bilis.
前行分活动。
Oh, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Oh, stop na. Eh. Balik mo.
Balik mo na.
Balik mo na.
Hindi ka ba na ano?
Balik mo na. Ito ulo.
Pipigilan ko eh.
Dito kami sa Iron Man. Try natin to. Isa sa mga sikat din na rides dito sa Disneyland.
Ride ba to?
Yeah. Iron Man experience. Guys, try yung look, the love of Tony Stark. Ganda no? Yung reactor nyo, laki. Kaya kuha tayo sa lamin dito guys. Ano pa ako dun? Saan natin? Let's go.
從座位右邊拉出安全帶，扣入左邊卡位。
Lapit na guys. Ito na. Diyan kami papasok sa loob. Yan na, papasok na tayo. Okay, pasok na tayo. Okay. Pinakaligod pa rin tayo. Pinakaligod pa rin nga. Let's go. Solid yung Iron Man. Parang na extreme ride din eh. Pero ganda. Recommended din.
Must try.
Oh, must try din. Pag pumunta kayo Disneyland, huwag niyo kalimutan daanan to. Solid. Try po na muna namin tong Ant-Man and Wasp. Ayan. Maganda rin dyan. Hey! Oh, solid. Ano ba, mga baril mo?
Oo, ito ako po.
So yun guys, tapos na kami sa Ant-Man and the Wasp. Okay lang. Parang chill ride lang. Mga baril-baril ka lang. Ayan, kung gusto nyo pagkatapos sa mga extreme ride nyo, or unahin yung Iron Man, tapos tuloy kayo dito para relax lang guys. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa may Moana show. Dun yung sa may Adventureland.
Thank you and welcome to you all！歡迎大家哈！我哋想嚟同大家講下你嘅經驗旅程啊！告訴我們你的所見所聞，你見過啲乜嘢 PM.
去过什么地方？
After all, I am Moana, and so my journey began.
Okay, ganda na. Ano masabi mo sa Moana?
Lang, kamukha niya si Ivana.
Maganda. Kaso, yung si Maui, medyo ano eh.
Ano, nag-expect talaga ako. Kala ko pa biro lang. Gusto ko, totoo pala.
Mukhang nag-diet si Maui, guys. Walang kinain si Maui. Mas mag-aabang namin ang parade. So, 5 kasi yun. Start. Pero, pesa na kami. Hi guys! Waiting na kami sa... May pwesto na kami para sa... Ano tawag din, love? Parang magical show nila later, mamayang gabi. So, I think dito yung magandang pwesto para sa amin. Ganda ng one guys, oh. Tingnan nyo. Look. Ano, may castle sabay may sunset. Perfect for picture talaga. Diba? So, may pa-flowers pa sila dito. And waiting lang kami, 9 PM pa start ng magical show. So, waiting kami dito, guys. Oh, dami kainan dito, guys. Pero, grabe, mahal. Doble or triple ang regular price. So, kami, wala pa kaming kain. Dami kain naman kami. Yung mga burger. Binili namin sa McDo. So, napasok naman namin. So, binili namin, parang breakfast siya. May pancake, may egg, may sandwich. So, may tawag din? Burger steak. Ayan. So, pwedeng papasok. No problem at all. Guys, sayo na kami dito sa may Mystic. Mystic ano to? Mystic Manor. Ayan. So, rides din, guys. Okay, guys. Oh, rides na naman. Simula.
I was just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. Dance
Exit Try nga. Uy! Yari. Umiilag eh. Umiilag. Umiilag kami guys. Wow yun. Ano yan? Gusto ka na? Eh, lakas ang hangin din, oh. Ano? Grabing effect, guys. Kasi na hangin. Cheers, guys. Solid, okay.
帶齊你嘅隨身禮物，
Iligay si Magic, guys. Recommend.
請小心㗎。
Galing.
多謝。Please
Update lang. Siguro mga 7:20 na ng gabi dito sa Disneyland and ang temperature niya umabot na ng 16. Grabe, lamig. Ito yung jacket ko, sobrang nipis lang. So tumatagos talaga siya. So kung pupunta dito kayo guys, so make sure na dadala kayo ng makapal na jacket. At check nyo na rin kung yung magiging temperature pag sapit ng gabi. So para ready kayo kasi ngayon, grabe lamig.